Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing for you guys today. And that's right, the final Super Mario truck came today, and it is Yoshi. So that means I now have them all, and Yoshi was the final one that was scheduled to arrive in the mail, and now let's unbox it. Okay, here it is. So it's using the Roger Dodger tooling. You got the engine on the front, nothing on the grill. You got a burgundy roll cage with green rims and gold bead locks. You got Yoshi himself on the side with the Yoshi logo, and then some coins and stars. You got a stripe going down on the top with the coins and the stars. And you got the Super Mario logo on the back right there, and then you got Yoshi's emblem, which is an egg and more coins. And on this side, this is pretty cool. You got Yoshi sticking his tongue out, looking like he's trying to eat something, and then you got some more coins and stars on the side. Very awesome truck. So I'd have to say it's a tie between Yoshi and Bowser for me for the for all the Super Mario trucks. So yeah. Well, that was the unboxing of the Yoshi Hot Wheels Monster Truck. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. Alright guys, peace out.